Good morning, dear students. Today I am going to explain the paragraph tag. All of you take your book and page number 53 you take out. Here you see, when you write any text on the body part in the HTML, then if you write in simple way, straight cut without any using tag, the text will be written in the continuous sentence, that means in the same line. Okay. So if you want to make your lines in paragraph wise, that means say one paragraph you have started, it is finished, now you want to go to next paragraph, you want to start a next paragraph. So how you will do? For that there is a tag you have to use, that is paragraph tag, P tag. You can see the example, it is given in your book, the code it is given. So in every program you have to write HTML, head part, title part, then head close, then body. So inside the body they have written some text and they have started paragraph. So first paragraph, after that you can see in the window beside your code, you can see after writing a one paragraph, when they have given the paragraph tag, the line spaces are there between two paragraphs. So that is the way you can understand that another paragraph started. So then paragraph finished, so you close the paragraph tag and then start the another one. So here is one example I am showing you. See, the HTML-P element defines a paragraph. So this is the example. Now example, when you will write, don't write only two lines, this one, you have to start from the HTML tag like your book. So here is some, that means you have to understand, for understanding they have written shortcut way, but you have to write completely, otherwise it will not work. So this is a paragraph, another paragraph, this is another paragraph. So let us execute the program. You can see here the program, they have given HTML and body. So between HTML and body there is a head and title, you write that one, don't avoid that. Now one paragraph, this is a paragraph, three lines they have written with three tags. So one, you can see the output, this is a paragraph, then one line space because paragraph closed, then new paragraph started, then like that they have created. So this is how you have to insert the paragraph when you want to start a new paragraph. So next is page number 54. Let us see what it has. Starting a new line, that is BR tag. That means the paragraph, you see, when you give P tag, it will come what? After the first line, a line space will be there. There is a blank line space, then another line started. But when you give BR tag, page number 54, all of you see, when you use BR tag, no spaces will be there, only it will come one line, then after that next line without any spaces. So that is the difference between BR tag and paragraph tag. And another thing you have to remember, BR tag is a empty tag. What does it mean? There is no need to close this tag. That means closing tag is not required. You can see in the example it is given on your book. BR, I am a learner. Then they have not closed the tag, they have started another BR, I am learning computer from class 7. So it will come, the line will come after the previous line without giving any spaces. So that is the difference between paragraph and BR tag. So let me show you the example. See here, HTML line breaks, BR element defines a line break. So if you want a line break without starting a new paragraph, That means you don't want to start a new paragraph, but you want to start a new line. That means without specifying the paragraph, in the next line only. So like enter, when you give enter, the line will come in the next line. So the BR tag will work for that in HTML. So here is the example they have given. You see, P tag they have started. This is BR, a paragraph. So after this is the line will come. That means a paragraph will come in the next line. Then after that, with line breaks, the line will come after break. So let us execute the program, then only you will get the difference. Now you see, paragraph started, that's why a line space came. Then this is after that BR is there, that means the BR means break, line break. So the line broken here, and the next line came here. After paragraph and another BR is there. So after paragraph, the whatever the line words left, it came in the next line. So that is the difference between the line break, that is BR tag, and paragraph tag. And another difference is that BR tag is a empty tag and P tag is a closing tag. See, P tag once you have opened, you have to close it, but BR tag no need to close the tag. That is the difference. This is how the program works between line break and paragraph tag. Now those who are having the computer at home, you practice, you just create yourself one paragraph and use P tag and BR tag together to see the differences. And those who are not having the computer, don't panic and don't worry, because the practical will not come, only theoretical concept will come. So all of you will write the codes of paragraph tag and BR tag on your copy as a code number 2, HTML code number 2, HTML code number 3, because in the previous class you have started one code, that is code number 1. So this is example 2, this is and BR tag along with the BR tag, this is example 3. You can create yourself also, the lines you can change, whatever it is given on your book, you can create your own lines, but the tag should be correct.